In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to report the receiving of public matching funds in the electronic filing system web application, abbreviated EFS. The reporting being described in this video only applies to committees registered with the Public Campaign Finance Board, abbreviated PCFB, and participating in the Public Campaign Finance Program. Only PCFB committees are able to report public funds receipts. The purpose of this transaction type is to disclose the receipt of public matching funds based on valid claims submitted for eligible contributions. Public funds receipts are issued by the PCFB and dispersed via the New York State Financial System, abbreviated SFS, via electronic funds transfers, abbreviated EFT, or checks, and must be reported on a committee's financial disclosure report. Please note that the transaction type drop-down menu located towards the top of the page will only populate with items that are applicable for your committee type. For example, we will be entering data during this video for a Type 1P Public Campaign Finance Committee named Committee to Elect Mary Williams. We will be working in the File a Disclosure Report page from the main navigation at the top of the screen after creating our report. For instructions on how to create the report, please view the video entitled Filer Dashboard in EFS. To start, select the 15th category for data entry in the Transaction Type drop-down menu entitled Public Fund Receipts. Once the transaction type is chosen and the user selects Apply, you will see new drop-down menu options for sorting and columns to view. The choices default to Created Date and Descending for sorting. As for column view, 6 are required, but others can be selected based on personal preference. Once you choose which you prefer to see, select Set Preferences. Select the Add New Transaction button to begin entering a transaction. A new dialog box appears. Let's point out a few things to note in the dialog box. The first field is Date Received. For this example, we need to report the day in which we received the receipt of public funds. For this example, the committee will report that we received the public matching funds on May 13th, 2024. You can enter the date the funds are received or select it from the calendar provided. It's important to note that the receipt source, street address, city, state, zip code, and receipt type fields are auto-populated by the EFS web application with the New York State Comptroller's information. This is because committees will receive all public funds from the New York State Comptroller. Next, the committee will enter the method of payment in which they received the funds. Committees can select wire transfer. You will then disclose the amount the committee received in public matching funds. Please note that the explanation field can be used to provide any other information. The asterisk indicates what fields are required for saving the transaction. Select the Save button and the statement Transaction Saved Successfully appears in a new dialog box. Select OK to close. Repeat this process for all public funds your committee has received from the SFS system. Transactions will populate in the table on the page as they are entered. As always, staff at the Public Campaign Finance Board is happy and ready to assist you. Our Public Campaign Finance Call Center may be reached at 518-473-2784. For technical assistance, our IT help desk may be reached at 518-473-4803.